Before installing the dash cam, first of all, we need to remove the motorcycle's guard and gas tank cover, which is convenient for us to follow the logger wiring. Take out the host of dash cam, find the right bracket, assemble it to the host and tighten the screws. Then install it in the right position. Adjust the angle and fix it. Next, installing the front and rear cameras respectively. Adjust the wires. Find the white wire marked B+ on one end of the power cable. Connect it to the positive terminal of the motorcycle battery. Find the motorcycle fuse box. Open the protective cover. Find the red wire marked ACC on one end of the power cable. Connect it to the motorcycle fuse box ACC and wrap it with electrical tape. Find the black wire marked B on one end of the power cable. Connect it to the negative terminal of the motorcycle battery. Now you can connect the camera cable and the power cable to the host. The camera cable with the F marked is for front view camera. The camera cable with the R marked is for rear view camera. When connecting the power port, pay attention to the alignment of the arrows at the connection point. You can use cable ties to fix and arrange cables. The overall wiring can refer to the connection method in the picture by above. Start the motorcycle. Test the dash cam to see if it turns on normally. Next, reinstall the fuel tank cover in both sides of the shield. Install the seat. Next, install the wireless remote control. Find the corresponding bracket for the wireless remote control. Fix it with screws. Install the wireless remote control in the right place on the motorcycle. Tighten the screws. Test each button after the remote control is turned on. Take out the tire pressure sensor. The one marked with F, R is installed on the front wheel. The one marked with R, L is installed on the rear wheel. After installation, the dash cam gets matching automatically. Now the motorcycle dash cam has been installed.